When the night falls, the old fisher would put away his things, take his bucket, and walk through the wooden path that took him to the big valleys. He walks for a long time. He reaches the very, very end of the dock of his planet. The end of nothing, the beginning of space. There, he waits, his head down at the void. He looks in the distance until he sees the cloud. When she arrives, Jean's eyes smile. All around him, thousands of stars join together and form a traveling wave that undulates and glides. She caresses the planet, brushes Jean and hugs the bucket. Suddenly, the nightmares escape and fly away.